Good morning, guys. This is going to be my round 2 of CVS. You're new here, and this is your first time seeing this lovely face. Go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button, support your girl. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. So listen, I'm gonna try to make this quick, you guys. Like, I just have a few deals I'm gonna share. Hoping to do the Cottonelle because I really need to try to stock up on good quality toilet paper. I wanted to do a household deal as well. Probably gonna try to do the CoverGirl again and also try to do the Revlon as well. I do still have Revlon on my Ibotta. I wasn't sure if it was gonna reset for me because I thought I maxed it out already, but I do have one for face and one for lips, so I'm gonna see what I can make work with that. I don't think I have a 5 off 25 Revlon, but I do have the 5 off CRT that we're all getting. So I'll try to see what I can do. I'll most likely have to do 2 separate transactions because I can't use those % offs with the sale items. And so I'll probably do that with the makeup. And so yeah, so without further ado, let's get in here.
What we're gonna do is on the Revlon. It is spend 15, get back 5 with a limit of 6. So for this, I'm gonna go ahead and just make it easy and grab the lipsticks. They're priced at $10.29, so I'm gonna grab 3 of them. I'll be using the 5 off of 1 Revlon CRT right there. I'm also gonna use 3 of these printables right here as well. Now I do have a 30% off of 1 item. I have a 30% off of purchase, and then I also have a 40% off of 1 item. So I'm thinking that 40% will come off of 1 item, 30% will come off the second item. I'm thinking, and then the 30% will come off after that. So I'm not honestly sure how it's gonna work out. I've never stacked so many % offs before. So I'm gonna grab that. Okay, now I'm also gonna be doing the CoverGirl with this as well. These are priced at $4.99. So we're gonna grab 2 and we're gonna get back $6 in extra care bucks. I'm gonna use 2 of the $3 coupons right there from our inserts. I'll pay $3.98 out of pocket and get back 6, making it a $2 money maker. Now I'm gonna stack this with the Revlon, and it'll make it a bigger money maker. So let me go ahead and check out with this first. All right, guys, I'm just gonna guess how I think the % off is gonna work for this deal. So I'm thinking that the % off of items gonna come off of each of, well, it's gonna be 30% off of here, which will be $308, 40% off of this one, which should be $411, and then the balance of the stuff here, minus coupons and CRTs, should be $188. So I'm thinking all 5 of these products should come to $11.78. So I'm gonna go check out and see if it works out. I'm not really sure, but we'll see. Other deal that I'm gonna go ahead and do as well is gonna be on the household. It's spend 30, get back 10. So we're gonna grab the Tide Pods at $12.99, the Tide Liquid at $12.99, and then the Gain is priced at $6.99. Now for the Gain, we're using this dollar digital right there. For the Tide Liquid, we're going to use this printable here for $3, and then for the pods, we're going to be using this one right here as well. All right, so this should bring our total down to paying $25.97 out of pocket, but we'll get back $10 in extra care bucks. I'm making this a cost of $15.97 for all 3 or $5.32 each. So I'm going to go ahead and do this transaction right after the other one. So yeah. Guys, all right, so here is what my transaction looked like. I was just crossing my fingers because I didn't know what the hell was gonna happen. I guess it was gonna be like, what did I say, $11.78. I was off by like 50 cents or something like that, so I was pretty close. All right, so there goes the CoverGirl at the very top, followed by the Revlon. All the coupons that I had all worked. I had coupons for each item, so we had 5 $3 coupons. There goes the 5 off of 1 CRT. 40% took off $225, 30% took off $102, and the 30% took off $528. Of course, we paid that with my PayPal card, so $12.30, and then we got back $16. Plus, we'll also be getting back. We got back $16. Then we'll also be getting back what, $9 on Ibotta as well. So it'll make this a $12.70 moneymaker on that deal, which is awesome. The other one that we did was the household deal. Now my printable for the liquid didn't work. I don't know why it didn't work, but it didn't work. And so I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the pods with the gain. All right, so for that, this is what our transaction looks like. Okay, and then there goes the 2 printables at the very top. There goes the gain digital, and then I wrote a bunch of my extra care books. I wanted to roll all the small ones because I have a bunch of little ones. All right, and then our subtotal was 97 cents. And for this one, we got back the 10. Both of these transactions ended up costing me $3.27, which is not bad. This last deal that I'm gonna go ahead and grab today is gonna be on the cottonelle. I'm really gonna try my hardest to stock up on this because I really need quality toilet paper. And so I'm gonna grab the cottonelle priced at $10.49. It's buy 2 get back 5. Now you can either get the cottonelle or you can get the Viva down there, which is the same price. We have digitals for each of them on the app. Okay, so we have that one right there for the cottonelle, and we have the one for the Viva. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab the cottonelle. I'll be using this dollar coupon right here from our inserts, and you're gonna pay $18.98 out of pocket, but you're gonna get back $5 in extra care bucks, making it $13.98 for 2 of them are $6.99 each. And so this is the last thing I'm gonna grab, and so let's go head up and check out. All right, guys, and so here's what this transaction looks like. There goes the cotton at the very top. I used the dollar coupons. I wasn't sure if the digital would attach as well. It didn't for me. And then I used a bunch of, you know, extra care bucks. Out of pocket was 98 cents, and then we got back to 5. So this transaction worked out pretty good. So I'm gonna go home and do a really, really quick breakdown of the cost for everything so far. And so yeah. And here is my complete little haul for today as far as round 2 of CVS. And no, I am not done. I just figured since the first trip on Sunday, I made like what, 37 bucks. I figured why not put some of that money back into some other deals that I really want to do. I really wanted to do the cottonelle, want to do household again as well. I was able to do the Colgate on my final situation. And I did the CoverGirl twice. All right, so this haul worked out to be pretty good. Now there were a couple hiccups when I did the Colgate deal. The paper coupon was attaching to the items, and so the digitals for the toothbrushes wasn't coming off. So I had to have the cashier void the transaction and then scan the coupons after each item. Now for this, I did use 2 paper coupons for $2, and then we had 3 digitals, so I did save $10 plus a 5 off 25 for that deal. So that deal ended up being a $7.06 moneymaker. Let me show you the receipt really quick for that one. There goes the Colgate, and then I stacked that deal with the cottonelle. All right, and then all the coupons that I used, there goes the 2 digitals at the very top. I think what he did is he scanned the toothbrushes, then he pushed enter or whatever, our total, and then we scanned the rest. So once those digitals attached to that, then we scanned the rest of the stuff. I used 1 paper coupon for the cottonelle, and then I used the digital for the other one. What else? There goes a 5 off 25. And as far as all the extra care books that I used, and yeah, subtotal was 90 cents. So for that Colgate deal, it ended up being a $7.06 moneymaker, which is really cool because I think the cottonelles ended up being $6.99 each, so I made basically one of those free. The other thing was on the Tide. So I had originally had a liquid and a pod, but the coupon for the liquid didn't work. I think it's probably because the Tide Pod coupon attached to the liquid, and so that's why when I scanned the liquid, it wouldn't work. So I went ahead and just swapped them out. But next time I do this deal, I'm definitely going to have them scan, probably scan the liquid coupon first, or either that or just scan the item, then scan the coupon right afterwards. That's basically it. I want to make this really quick. So everything you see here retails $150.70. As far as sales tax, this is $13.19 in sales tax. I had $60.55 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $90.15. And then we walk away with $59 in extra care bucks and $9 from Ibotta for the Revlon, netting this at $22.15 or $1.10 each. But again, because we made $37 in our last haul, it actually still makes both hauls for this week so far free plus $15.29, which is so awesome. Other than that, I'll leave it there. You guys have an amazing day, night, whatever you're watching, wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.